What's going on, guys? As you can see, Derek's car is at my personal shop at home. It's no longer at my work. We swapped out his factory grill the other day and put this much more aggressive looking grill inside the car. Really changed the appearance of how this car looked. I think it just flows way nicer than what the factory one did. Personally, I'm not a fan of the factory because I don't like that running horse. But, you know, some do, some don't. Not my thing. You can find the video of us doing that on his YouTube channel. I will be posting a link in the bottom for you to find that video if you're interested in seeing it. As well as we also did his side marker lights. Went from the very ugly factory ones to these LED smoked ones, courtesy of S550 Parts. We're gonna do a video of that on mine today. But enough about his car. We're not here about that today. We're talking about mine. So that being said, as you can see, there's a bunch of boxes on the floor over here of BMR suspension parts. These are all the rear suspension parts going on Cruella. Hoping to do that this Saturday. I will make a video of that. Gonna get the car uncovered here and we're gonna swap out my marker lights. As you can see, these 19x10 niche wheels are still in the back behind my car. These were originally for Derek's car, but he decided to go a different route. They are in really good shape. They are for sale. So if you're anywhere near the Simcoe, Ontario area, hit either Derek or myself up and we'll hook you up with those rims. I ordered his new ones yesterday, so they should be here in a couple of weeks. When we get them in here, we'll do a video of them getting put on. But let me just get some things situated here and we'll get started on my car. What's up, guys? As you can see, Derek has finally made it here to help me with my car.
How's it going, guys?
As you can see, he's, you know, one of those losers that look at his own YouTube channel. Follow that guy right there if you are bored. All right, we're gonna get started on my car. I'm gonna unwrap it here in a second and yeah, go from there.
All right, let's get this thing uncovered.
It's been a while.
Man, this car looks so good.
Can't wait till winter's over.
Yeah, winter definitely sucks.
100% does. Triple focus parts here.
All his rear suspension parts that we'll be doing tomorrow. Is it tomorrow or the next day?
Saturday. Today's Thursday.
Saturday.
Don't confuse me now.
Yeah.
Get this cover out of the way.
Anybody want to buy John's rims? Everything's for sale for a right price.
Come and get them. They've only been on the car for one summer.
This is what I also need to get for my car. So I need a strut brace.
Yeah, you do.
If anybody's got any suggestions of a nice one that would look really good under the hood of a 22, let us know.
Should we connect the battery so make sure the lights work?
Yeah.
Alright. Let me just go over here and unbox these ones here.
I'll show you guys what we're putting in today.
So these are from my buddy Johnny over at S550 Parts. This is going to go in my car too because I somehow broke mine off at Mustang week. But here's the marker lights that I cannot open. LED smoked. Well, these are really in there. There we go.
Helps when you open it the right way.
Yeah, well, you know, it's one of those days. Yeah, much cleaner look than the factory single bulb ugly ass lights.
Way nicer.
Yeah. If you don't have these for your car, pick a setup. They just really enhance how the car looks. Alright, I grab the lights, go on over here and get these in. So if you don't have a glue stick like this, make sure you pick one up because they're handy as hell for not scratching your paint. Come around here, Derek, and see what these lights look like before we swap them out. Now I did tint them so they're a little nicer than the real factory, but that's just, you have all this space of no light. It just looks like shit. So let's pop that out and get the new one in. As gentle as we can. I can even get in there with this. actually in there. I had to swap out to a different glue stick because that one was a little too worn out. But there we go. With the proper tools, it's very easily done. Then just slide it forward. Unplug your light. Take your bulb out. You do need this part.
There's a clip at the back.
Here.
Yep.
Okay, right there. And then take your new one. Plug this into here.
They only go in one way, I guess.
Just to make sure it is working.
Yeah, you're on.
Oh, there we go. It was working. There we go.
So much brighter.
And then just slide it back in, into place. That's it. Much cleaner look. Now, let's go try this on the other side. We'll grab the other light. All right. Hopefully I don't struggle with the same as I did last time, but if I do, I got a very tiny small screwdriver to kind of help me get in there. I think the tint I put on here is a little thicker than I thought it was, and it's just interfering with what I got to do. So I don't recommend using this, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah.
Did you bring your other one out? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, sure.
There we go. So much brighter.
Absolutely. Then you just slide this back in. That's it. Way more brighter. It's just a cleaner look. It finishes it off with a full light instead of just a single little bulb. I don't know why. I love Ford, but I don't know why they did that. But that's it.
Sweet.
I also picked up an LED reverse light. We already put one in Darren's car. Anybody knows that has these cars, these reverse lights are not bright from factory. It's one of the only bulbs in the car that's not LED, so I'm gonna swap this out just to have that better reverse light. Help me seeing at night.
Yeah. It's because this guy put 555 on his car. Who does that?
You know, it's good for you that way. Who needs to see at night? And then lowered it 2 inches so I can't get out of the car very well. Can't even reach that really well. You did yours. Is there a clip there?
Twist.
It's just twist.
Yep. Just like a regular headlight bulb.
Yeah. This is the angle I'm on. Trying to fit out of my car.
Man, watch my rims, guy.
Well, they're not going on your car now anyway.
So it's just a regular twist headlight.
Shitty ass bulb.
Yeah.
Just gotta find the hole.
He usually has issues with that.
Yeah. There we go. Much gooder.
Perfect. Let's see how bright this bulb is.
Let me get the keys to the car so I can turn it on. Can't wait till winter's over. I can start driving this thing again.
Oh yeah. Way
Yeah, that's
brighter.
way better. Perfect.
Yeah, it's much gooder.
Excellent. Well, that's it for now. It's my car. The lights are done. So on Saturday, which today's Thursday, so Saturday we're gonna jack it up and do the rear suspension. Thanks. If you enjoyed the video, like, follow, subscribe, whatever. Have a good one.
All right. See you guys.